I got my first prosthetic in 2019, January, right after amputation. January 2015, I went in for a routine knee replacement. A staph infection in Mercer and kept getting infected, and they would take it out, another knee in, and each one of these was 3 or 4 months, and 4 knees and lots of surgeries. Everyone's friendly and they treat you like a king. If I have a problem, I can call. Usually they'll say, come down right now, or come down in the morning, or can you wait till Wednesday? And never been a problem getting in. I work with them and they work with me. This is the only place I have gone to and would go to. And there's no need to shop around. They've got everything I need here.